Well, so we have a train here at 4th Street. Trying to be a little bit quieter a little bit because we do have a few police over here. Oh, good luck. There go the gates over there. Ah, I better run. Today is our Saturday extravaganza, folks, with the Chesterton, Indiana police out here now. At almost, it's 4:35 p.m. CST zone. Oh no, I think this police car might get hit.
No, they're far enough away.
Well, they are, Daddy, okay.
Yeah.
I better have my flash on because it might be a little hard to see most of it, right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad the parade has now stopped because look at that. He is on a track that we never see a train on. It's normally the other direction. I am gonna guess that this train will have a DPU, all right. Not only one, but maybe two, if not. Right here in Chesterton, Indiana, once again, folks. Don't forget, whenever my dad has me on a Saturday, stay tuned for more videos out here, folks. Even though that isn't really my dad's idea, but that is my idea, folks. Oh no, I'm blinding those people. If it happens again, I better have my flash off. Shouldn't I? Sometimes it will bother them. I'm gonna say it's gonna have a mid DPU. This train.
You think so?
Yep.
Well, a lot of steel.
And I'm glad that one police car left. What?
That's an unmarked.
No, that wasn't. That just
White-
left.
Not the one that just this one.
Nope, I was wrong.
Huh? Nope. No baby, you all right. Okay.
Should have had one at least, though. We have some.
Hey, we gotta leave in about 20.
Well, ignore my dad, folks, because we are under CST zone. And in CST zone, it is always different. Oh, and this car wants to turn into the Riley's rail house. As you can see. Hopefully I see a few more trains out here during dark. Right now it is only dusk. Oh. Man, people are not watching where they're going, folks. If you just saw that in the video. People are not watching where they're going. Anyway, okay, so that's it.